solely so I could sing this next song. This next song was actually written by Joni Mitchell, who will be well represented tonight. It's called I Had a King. Taken to painting the pastel walls throughout. He's taken the curtains down. He slept in the room of content. Now the rooms are empty. He's clean with the tears of an actor who fears for the laughter still. Ross just shared with me his water. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea. Oh, I still wanted to sing that song, but we're not going to. Fun, cute little song. But I'm a ballad girl, and I'm going to sing another ballad for you. It's a Judy Collins song that she wrote as a tribute to her father. Excuse me. Who actually passed away 3 weeks before she finished the song. So we're going to take it. My father always promised us that we would live in France. We go boating on the sand, and I would learn to dance. We lived in Ohio there. He lived in the mines, on the streams like
pastor. Okay, Jewel, that was beautiful. I like songs about fathers. And you guys really, I've known Jewel for, God, Jewel, do we even want to say?
No, it's
Yeah, it's 20-something years, let's just say that. But Jewel is an incredible